Kathy with my DIY. If you are here for the first time, welcome. On this channel, you can learn how to create many cool projects on a budget. Please hit the red subscribe button if you like to save money and become my bestie. And hit the notification bell and you will know when I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful flower arrangement out of these hydrangeas for your dining room. It will be a large piece where you normally would pay a lot of money in the store. So this we're going to create for a fraction of the cost. Come on, let's get started.
For this project, you are going to need flowers, and I got 10 hydrangeas. If you're going with the smaller flowers, you might need more. I purchased 5 at Marshall's for $4.99 each, and then I lucked out at AC Moore. I got 5 for $1 each. They were on sale. Of course, they were much smaller, but it's okay. We need different size flowers. We are going to need some greenery, and I got these beautiful eucalyptus branches from AC Moore for half price, as well as these beautiful white flowers from Dollar Tree. I love those. We will also need 3 vases from Dollar Tree. I love these because they fit the LED candles perfectly. In addition, we need any ribbon that you like, as well as green foam, some floral wire, and possibly some moss. Lastly, you're gonna need a large tray, and I purchased this one at Dollar Tree. The only thing I wanna color it cream because I want a more rustic, more farmhouse look. So after I spray painted the tray, I grabbed my permanent marker and I'm going all around and painting a black line. Then I'm gonna draw some chips and create that chipped enamel look. Next, we are going to work on the flowers. And these Marshall's hydrangeas, they're very big and thick. So I'm getting my heavy-duty clippers from my husband and I'm cutting off the stems. And the hydrangeas from AC Moore, they're much lighter, but they have little dividers on their stems, which make it very easy to cut. Same with the greenery. We're gonna cut it up. Some pieces we're gonna do single, some triple, make a variety. Next, we're going to set up the arrangement. I take out the foam blocks from Dollar Tree, and they actually amazing because they're pre-cut already. So I'm thinking to use a taller one in the middle and 2 on the side lower. So 1 block each on the outside and double in the middle. Once you like the arrangement, it's time to glue the foam. And just use some hot glue to do that. It's very easy, sticks very well. We are not going to glue the vases because we want to be able to take them off, wash them, and change whenever we want to. So we start off the arrangement by placing the greenery where we like. I suggest on both ends. Next, I remove the leaves of the hydrangeas and I place them all around. Next, we're working with the larger pieces. So I'm taking the big hydrangea, placing it in the middle, then on both sides, and then opposite as well. So once I have my big flowers in, I'm gonna work with the little ones. I'll start inserting them all around. And for now, I'm removing those glass vases before I break anything. And then I'm gonna place some more eucalyptus branches here and there. And just see where it fits, where you have some bold spots, go ahead, insert them there. And same with those white flowers from Dollar Tree. I cut them and I'm inserting them here and there just to create a nice symmetric look. Next, we're gonna make some ribbon loops. And I'm just eyeballing here, cutting ribbon with long tails. So I'm gonna make 3 or 4, whatever I have a ribbon left over here. And I went for the neutral look. It's up to you. You might want to put a contrasting ribbon, whatever goes with your decor. So you fold your ribbon in half, then you pinch it, and you create a little loop at the top. And you tie it with some floral wire. And since you have 2 ends together, you fold them in half alongside and you cut it at an angle, and that creates a fishtail. And you do that with every loop. And I cut my wire a little longer, so I use it to insert the bow into the foam. If you happen to have floral picks, you might want to use floral picks to attach the bow as well. And as you see, I'm inserting those ribbons in between the vases just to cover any green foam that might be still showing. So I use the ribbon loops to cover the foam. And I want to make some more ribbon loops with this thinner ribbon that I have. I actually like it a lot. I purchased it at AC Moore. It was on sale for $1. And I think it's going to give a nice texture, nice interest in my arrangement. And I'm doing the exact same thing like previously, folding it in half, tying with some wire, and then I'm going to cut the ends at an angle. And then I'm inserting the loops in my arrangement. And again, this is just personal preference where you see fit. And this is it, guys. Now the cherry on the top. Turn on the candles and put them in each vase. Looking back at my arrangement, one of the ribbons was in a little bit too deep, so I need a floral pick, and I'm using one of the flower stems. I'm attaching it with the wire to the ribbon, and I'm gonna insert that in the foam. That will make my ribbon stick out a little bit more. Alright guys, here's the look at the final result. Please let me know what you think. Write it down in the comments down below. I wonder what is your opinion because I really love it. I am so happy with the way it came out. I love that the colors match my decor. I love that it's customized for my room. The blues and the creams with the burlap, the chipped enamel plate. This is all so cute and picked out by me. Exactly what I like, the good quality flowers and the eucalyptus and all my favorite things. I really encourage you guys to try something like that. Make it for yourself at home because you cannot buy a regimen that's exactly the way you like it. There's always some flowers or something in there that you're not necessarily gonna like, and it would cost you so much more money. And look how beautiful is that in the dark. And here is another cute idea for you. If you want to take out one of the candles and put in a rabbit, you automatically make it a cute Easter centerpiece. If you want, you can switch the ribbons, or if you keep them neutral, they'll look nice with everything.
Alright guys, so this is it for today. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're gonna attempt to make your own dining room centerpiece. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so yet. And if you haven't met Coco yet, she's our new puppy. There's more footage of her in the previous video. I'm gonna put a link down there below. And hope you become my bestie and you can watch more videos, more ways to save money on your decorating and other fun ideas. Take care guys. Bye bye.